Come here, Jer. Come here, Jer. Go back outside. Go back outside. Go back outside. Come on, Jerry. Go back outside. Go ahead. Go outside. Thank you. Good dog. Good dog. Come on, Kayla. Come play with him. Oh, that's funny, honey. That is funny, Caleb. Oh no, you got your hand stuck in there, didn't you? You got your hand stuck, didn't you? There he is. There he is. Maybe you should let him come inside now. Maybe you should sit back and let him come inside. Huh? Okay, come on, dear.